Hello guys, this is Tony and welcome to Rollers Details. And today's video is gonna be unboxing video. So what we got here is something from Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber, Scott. So I bought this from him. This is some towels that I bought from him, and we're gonna check it out what we got in here, which I don't buy much yet. I'm planning on buying some more microfiber towels from him, but today I just decided to make a unboxing video, which I buy these ones. This is the first time that I get something from him, and we will see. These towels, I buy these ones for like I think $15, and they looks like they are edgeless towel. Let's see how big they are. I think these towels are they look good for like maybe ceramic coating. They are low power, so yeah, I think these ones are gonna be perfect for ceramic coatings. So, and also I get this one, which is the one he called I think the Soccer Junior, something like that. So I bought this one because obviously I need some drying towels, and they look pretty decent. I like the size. I don't wanna get the one is like too big. I really don't like that type of towels because they get too heavy. So I always like to buy this type of towels. Like this one here, this is the PFM from what's the name? I forgot the name. Griot's Garage PFM. So, and also I'm checking over here and they look kind of similar. So I got this one, which is, as you guys can see, I've been using this for so long, so but I need some more. And this one is a little bit bigger, as you guys can see. This one here is almost twice the size and feels good. So we're gonna be testing this towel. We're gonna try it. And also I got this one here, which is a little bit bigger towel. This one is, I don't buy this one from him. This one is from Mother's, which it feels really soft. So I'm gonna be testing these towels on the next video, and I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts about the Soccer Junior microfiber towel. So pink, I like the color. So like I said, guys, this is something that I just get from him. And like I said on the previous video, I'm planning on get the pressure washer, the AR Blue, I think is the name of the pressure washer, which I think is it's gonna be a good option. So I'm gonna be buying that one, hopefully. And because the pressure washer I have right now, that one doesn't have auto stop, and normally I work by myself, and I don't like when I let go the trigger and the pressure washer keeps running. For some reason, I don't like that. So that is something that I'm gonna send that pressure washer to my brother in Guatemala, because he got a detail shop over there, but he normally work with some more people. Like he got employees, and you know, when they are washing a vehicle, normally they wash the vehicle with 2 or 3 people. So they can wash a vehicle in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So, yep, that is something that I'm considering. How do you say that? That's something that I'm thinking to do. Send this pressure washer, which is a 220 voltage, and is a 3000 psi with 2.5 gallons per minute. So I really don't need all that pressure on for what I do, pretty much. I don't need all the pressure and gallons per minute, which is quicker, but like I said, I don't like that. So yeah, guys, this is like what I'm gonna do on the next video. I'm gonna compare these towels, which is the PFM drying towel, the Soccer Junior, and this one is the Mothers that I get it from O'Reilly Auto Parts, and it feels good. But obviously this is a bigger towel, so I'm just gonna test it on some small areas and see which one is the best. So we're gonna do it on the next video. And if you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with others who might enjoy this type of videos, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.